Hi everyone, welcome to our next update. This video is dedicated to Lawnmower. Thank you so much for being part of the YouTube dedication tier. I greatly appreciate you and greatly appreciate all the backers and everyone, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's start this video with me going to our latest store. I like to go to all the, Ross's, Marshalls, things like that, Burlington, in hopes of us finding something that can help us with the small business. Essentially, what we need is some organizational bins so we can separate the stickers properly and anything else. I want to throw in possibly a card, a business card, things like that. So I just want to structure the space in terms of processing these orders. So I want to make sure that whatever setup we have, it's not just going to be convoluted and there's not going to be a lot of things in the way when I'm trying to grab for certain items, just kind of like that. And I want to make this just nice and efficient as possible. So that's ultimately the goal. Me just trying to organize everything. There I'm like cleaning and putting things away and putting items away. We have a bunch of stuff. So I just have like the costume, the military costume from when I had to shoot a student film. So I have that. I have other items right here on the table, and it kind of piles up because I have a pretty busy schedule, and I know that a lot of people, they do a lot, and a lot of folks have busy schedules. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I should put this on the desk. I just realized maybe it'll look pretty good. Oh my gosh, I just realized, where can we put this? Oh, we can put this on top. Okay. Oh, that does look good. Wow. Okay, that does look pretty good. I like it. I like it. Yeah. All right, so pretty much we're just clearing everything away. We're clearing away all the items. I found some treasures that I purchased at San Diego Comic-Con, things like that. I am just putting aside all the things that are probably going to get in our way when we're trying to reach for whatever we need to reach for. And when I want to weigh the items, I want to make sure that there's enough space for us to do that. When it comes to just the printing out the shipping labels, I want to have the space to connect it to the PC. So we're just trying to organize everything properly because we want to make sure that this small business is successful, right? I just want to make this like a really good experience and an experience that's worthwhile. I have to unbag the items, kind of get that little like sticky residue out of the container. I have these really nice tissue papers. I think that you're gonna like it if I have the chance to wrap some items in there. But I wanted to customize it, these custom stamps with the Jackie and the Magical Guys logo to come in, and I can customize the tissue paper for you guys. And as you can see, we have ample boxes that came in from the USPS, and we will surely use them all to send out the Jackie and Magical Guys packages. So a lot of good things coming in and a lot of good things coming out. So yeah, I am very excited, and thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you.